What's up guys? I am currently in Grundarfjordur on the Snaefellsness Peninsula, and I'm at Kirkjufell Mountain, extremely popular photogenic mountain. You'll see shots of the waterfall with the cool like cone-shaped mountain in the background.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
Funny thing is, from all those photos, you can't actually tell that the main road runs right through or between the waterfall and the mountain. I always thought they were like closer, more connected. You can hike Mount Kirkjufell. It's just kind of sketchy. The trail is closed up until June 15th. Amazing how muddy it is. All Trails says this is only a 2.9 mile trail with about, I think, 1,400 feet of elevation gain. That's not that crazy, but I don't know if I'll actually make it to the top because of the danger. It is an extremely narrow trail apparently, leaves you very exposed, and it can also be extremely windy. In Iceland today is not so bad. I think gusts up to maybe 20, maybe a little less. Feels good now. And so we're gonna see how it feels, but most people are saying at the very top, if you really wanted to summit this thing, you should have a harness on and some kind of climbing gear, and maybe there are some pre-existing ropes up there that you could connect yourself into for safety, not to actually fall on, but in case you did fall. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm a good climber, but I'm not willing to take too big of risks, so I might not actually make it to the top. There's the mountain up there. It doesn't look so impressive from this perspective, but from the drone, it's awesome. And then from actually further away, I think it looks cooler. Definitely still really stunning. Here's a look the other way. Jenna dropped me off in the van. She's gonna go grocery shop, check out the town. Tons of these beautiful purple flowers on the way up, which apparently, rumor is, eating them helps make women more fertile. I think they make teas with them or something like that. Really nice basalt columns, I think, and just amazing views. This starts to give you an idea of how the steepness is increasing. Here's where things start to get a bit more interesting. Let me turn this around. It's always hard to show how steep something is with the GoPro wide angle and just being on ground level, I guess you could say. But we have a trail going up here, another one around the corner here. I think my option is to go up. I'm not tracking this on all trails, so I don't know how much I've climbed, but it's safe to say this is probably the 4th quarter. It's looking a little crazy. Something to keep in mind when you're climbing like this is that it is oftentimes easier to go up than it is to go back down. Not gonna lie to you guys, this one is pretty steep. I feel fine, everything has been manageable, just taking it slow, but it's spooky. I still haven't hit what I'm gonna deem my turnaround point yet, but seriously, if you're not confident doing this kind of stuff, I would urge you not to do it. Definitely come to Mount Kirkjufell. It's gorgeous, but admire it from a little lower. I found a rope. I'm assuming that's the way, but I don't know. The rope looks good. The knots in it are great, but I really hate to put all my weight on something that I can't see the top of. Don't really want to put my life on that. Here's the rope. It is extremely thick, and there are 2 people in front of me that I don't see anymore, which leads me to believe they went up this thing. Here's my body weight on it, and it's totally feels great. The rope held, and as I climbed it, I decided to not fully trust it, to mostly climb, just using it as an assist here and there, and I'll do the same thing on the way down. It's tied around this massive boulder, which that doesn't seem to be going anywhere, at least anytime soon. A very thick rope. I went for it, but a little spooky. It's a good trail here, but it is just very, very exposed. I'm like using my hand on the side to brace just to be extra safe, especially while I'm videoing. Look at that beauty. How'd it go?
It was good.
Did you make it to the top?
I did.
Wow, you're crazy.
There's a couple of spots it's like ropes for you to kind of enjoy.
Thanks. Rope number 2, a heck of a lot longer and more daunting. You can follow it down there, but it is secure. It's, leaning enough that you can still make a lot of placements that help you feel secure. And wow, the views are insane. Okay, we have rope number 3, and I guess that's 4 over there. This one here looks slightly less sketchy. Definitely need to put the GoPro away. I made it! Wow, guys, that was intimidating. It feels so good to be on the top because it's mostly flat. I feel more secure up here than most of the way up. I can't believe it. It is gorgeous up here. So many yellow flowers. Couldn't have picked a better day, honestly. The wind is almost down to 0 right now, which is crazy considering I'm standing on the complete top of this thing. Can't get over it. Didn't think I'd make it up here.
Thank you all so much for watching. Some spectacular places that I'm so thankful to have explored. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See ya.